Welcome to this spec review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro, set to redefine endurance in 2026. We will dive into a comprehensive breakdown of its features. The phone sets a new standard for longevity with a 7,000 mAh battery cell. This is a true multi-day power cell, significantly exceeding the current segment average of 5,000 to 5,500 mAh. This massive capacity comes with a trade-off in charging speed. Unlike predecessors, the 45W USB-C fast charging prioritizes battery health and charge retention over ultra-fast filling. It is engineered for overnight charging. The display is a 6.83-inch AMOLED panel featuring a 1.5K resolution. The peak brightness hits 3,200 nits, ensuring excellent visibility, even in direct sunlight, and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Powering the device is the efficient MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chip, built on a 4nm process. The octa-core CPU, capped at 2.6 GHz, manages heat effectively, preventing thermal throttling and ensuring sustained power delivery. This device is built to survive. It features both IP68 and IP69K ratings. It is dust-proof, water-resistant, and verified to withstand high-pressure, high-temperature washdowns and immersion. The primary sensor is the 50-megapixels Sony LYT600. It features a wide f/1.5 aperture and OIS for superior low-light performance, focusing on sensor quality rather than pixel count. Video recording is 4K at 30 frames per second. The camera setup offers versatility with an 8-megapixels ultra-wide rear camera. For selfies, there is a 20-megapixels front wide-angle camera, complete with a screen flash feature for low-light situations. The software is a combination of Android 15 Core and HyperOS. Key features include unified ecosystem integration, a refined user interface with reduced bloatware, and fluid 120 Hz animations. The phone is highly connected and capable, supporting 5G connectivity and Wi-Fi 6 with MIMO support. It includes 256 GB of non-expandable UFS 2.2 storage and Dolby Atmos stereo speakers. In comparison to competitors, the Redmi Note 15 Pro stands out as the endurance king, prioritizing battery, durability, and display quality over processor speed or megapixel count. The verdict: unstoppable. This is the ideal choice for power users who demand unrivaled battery life, class-leading durability, and premium screen-on time above all else.